Okay, hello biology students. So if you're working on your lab and need to work with one of the files that I'm sharing with you, you can open the files as long as you are logged in with your college email address. And you see that here on the right-hand side. This is now my file, and you cannot edit this file. And you don't want to edit this file because otherwise everybody else could see what you're doing with this file. So in order to edit the file, what you have to do is make a copy. And then you name this copy as like your name. And make a copy. And if you plan on sharing this copy with me for a submission in our learning management system, okay, so once you made the copy and it now has a file name that identifies you, click on share. And then you share it with me. In this case, you have to enter my email address. Then you give me editing or commenter rights. It's okay to notify me, but if you submit your work in our learning management system, you're good to go. So now you can work with this document and have it saved on your Google Drive.